Ayan, ulam natin for today guys. Eggplant. Tortang talong. Ayan o. Ayan, yes, Mix TV everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Tingnan natin yun. Saka yung soup natin guys. Yung ating soup. Pwede na to guys. Pwede na natin to kunin at ilagay sa plato. I-platter na natin guys, no?